and Maharani of Anandapur, whose hearts were one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turned palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I was inspired by her story every time I visited India. Then one day, I decided to make Anandapur my home. Now I follow in her footsteps as a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures. And now, this is my favorite part of each day, as the birds fly here to join me in a dance to welcome you. Like Carl. He's coming. Carl, are you a little bit shy? Maybe he'll visit us later. Spending time with the birds and my friends, local bird experts who dedicate their time to making Anandapur a welcoming place for birds from all over the world. It's one of the reasons I love to gather adventurers and wilderness explorers like you here. I'm proud to be a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chidia tribe, Moor Lodge. Oh, this is a mudra, a hand gesture, for Chidia, which means bird, and Moor means peacock in the Hindi language. And today we had another senior wilderness explorer visiting our gathering. He asked if he could bring his dog along, and since we are friends to all, I was happy to oblige. Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug!
Hello, my name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell! Tell us about your furry friend.
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shriek, boy! Speak, boy!
Hi there.
Oh my, you can talk? How does this work?
Please do not touch that. Thank you. Not that.
Hey, you're speaking Hindi and English? More like English. Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly. We say,
an explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
you all know this part. Everyone follow along.
The wilderness must be explored.
Now you.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw,
Roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Wonderful job.
Hey boy, we made it to India. I think we'll get a travel badge for that.
Hey, Shabash, that's great. We have almost everyone here except for one of my good friends. Like me, he's one of the caretakers of the birds who've made Anandapur their home. Please welcome my friend Adam.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. Namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behavior in order to better understand them. I'm basically a bird whisperer. And say, has anyone here ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did, with our bird friend Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
She lives near Paradise Falls, a place lost in time. She goes gaga for chocolate.
Oh, wait a minute. She fed a bird chocolate?
No. You should never feed a bird chocolate.
Really?
But she must have been a very special bird.
Oh, sure, she's very special. None are like Kevin.
Oh, I do miss me, Birdman Kevin. Yes, I do.
I have an idea, Russell. What does Kevin look like?
Oh, I know. Like a bird.
Good boy, Doug. Anything more specific?
Kevin has long legs.
She can run very fast.
Colorful.
Loud. And big.
Tall, fast, colorful, loud, and big? Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
Yes, and now we're ready for our next bird adventure.
Well, great, Russell. I think we all are. Are you ready to meet the birds that call this place home?
Oh boy, let me go get my camera for my adventure book.
Sounds
Come on, Doug.
Hey, look, it's Miles! Russell, Doug, hurry back! Hi, buddy.
Like Larissa said, this guy is a trumpeter hornbill. His name is Miles. These guys are from Africa, and they are excellent flyers. They're known to maneuver in and out of trees to catch their favorite treats, flying insects, without losing any speed at all.
I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? All right, okay, I'll help. We're going to create a forest in the wild right now. So, if you're seated on the end of the row here in our lower center section, stand up. Now step into the aisle and turn to face the explorer just across the aisle from you. Very nice. Now raise your arms like this, like the curved branches of a tree. Oh, hello, Miles. All right, get those arms a little bit bigger. We're trying to make a tunnel. That looks really good. All right, we have a forest. Now, hold it. Okay.
Now, excellent. Just keep still. We're going to see if Miles wants to fly all the way back to his best friend, Katie, back there. What do you say, Miles? Now, it's pretty cool. When he does fly, watch him tuck those wings. Incredible. Now, keep your arms up.
Your arms like this.
He's even just as fast on the way back. What do you say, Miles? Excellent job, my friend.
Shabash, great job. You all make wonderful trees. Let's give explorers on this side a chance. So if you're seated on the end of the row, you're going to do the same thing. Stand and step into the aisle and turn to face the explorer just across the aisle from you. And raise your arms like this, like the curved branches of a tree. All right. Now for our little saplings in the front, would you step back just a little bit? And those arms look great. Thank you so much. And we're making our tunnel a little bit bigger for Miles. All right, now hold it. Great.
Now, what do you say? Would you like to see Miles fly again? All right, I think we can do that. I think our forest is just about ready, thanks to our tree whisperer, Katie, over there. What do you say? All the way back to Katie again? Wow. All right, now let's see if he'll come back home. What do you say, Miles? Back to the forest one last time. And watch those wings as he flies. They are just incredible the way that they can sit and maneuver through those branches. What do you say, Miles?
He's admiring our forest.
He is.
Oh, there we go.
Excellent job.
Let's give all of our volunteers a hand. You all make great trees.
Miles, you were excellent as well, my friend. And now I don't have any flying insects, but I do have a great. Have a treat, my friend.
And that's why there are no flying grapes in Africa.
All right, Miles. What do you say you come on back this way? We'll get you home and we can show everybody some incredible birds. Excellent flyers. Great job, Miles. What do you say you head on back home? The hardest part is saying goodbye.
That's true.
You know where to go, my friend. Just through the window, left of the light.
And that was Miles, our trumpeter hornbill.
So neat. See these guys fly.
Find the birdie. 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 Point!
Did we miss the bird?
Oh, not to worry, Russell. We have so many more birds to show you.
In fact, you're right on time.
Really? I don't see anything.
Guys.
Where? I don't
Over
see
there.
anything on birdie!
Wow, he has a big beak. just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy is a brown hornbill from Africa.
My friend here, the small mailman, told me that I am from South America. See, Yosu. Yes, I am.
Well, this guy's a ground hornbill from Africa. These birds are incredible. They're known for using that large bill they have, and they forage in the grasslands of Africa like a sledgehammer with that beak, or it can be more gently like a pair of chopsticks when they feed their young.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Your camera? Uh-oh.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh, he is an angry
Guys, come on.
bird.
Man. Oh, Chris, thanks, Chris. And it's not angry, it's a natural behavior for brown hornbills to peck at their food like that when they forage.
Sorry about your camera.
My Wilderness Explorer's camera.
Are you all right, small mailman?
Kevin was fast, but not so wild.
Oh, yes. Very, very fast.
Well, being fast and smashing food are some of the behaviors birds learn to survive in the wild.
There are some animals that live closely with people, though. I mean, for instance, there are ducks. And, well, around here, of course, we have many other birds, too. Just like guinea fowl. Oh, and we can't forget about the chickens, either.
Hello, ladies.
Chickens. I think he wants to play tag.
Is that how the chicken learned to cross the road?
Really?
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
I'll be right back.
Chicken birdies.
Don't come back, boy.
I think they're in for more than they can handle. Chickens are fast and pretty smart.
They'll be just fine with our local chicken whisperer, Flannery.
Oh, yeah.
She loves to hang out with those guys. Who can blame her, too? They're awesome.
I know, they're so fast. And how many of you knew that chickens could fly? And those are some of our local macaws you guys have spotted. Good eyes.
So we're telling chickens.
So, Adam,
Yes.
there are all types of birds with special talents, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and others with charming personalities that make them so lovable.
Just like parrots.
They grow on you.
But they do not make the best pets.
They can bite.
And scream,
And they poop everywhere.
not the best roommates.
Very true, but some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them.
I think we should show them. I think that chicken might want to head out of here.
Oh.
Thanks, Flannery.
Our chickens are multi-talented.
Now, I think I know the exact bird you're talking about.
Do you?
Yeah.
Could it perhaps be
Groucho.
I love this funny parrot. Oh, Groucho always makes me laugh.
Oh, he's incredible.
Hello, Groucho.
Hey, would you like to say hello? Would you like to say hello? That's a little one. How about a great big hello? Excellent job. Now, Groucho used to live with a professional singer, so now he likes to show off his talents in some really incredible ways. Would you guys like to hear it? All right, what do you say, Groucho? Would we like to show them exactly how awesome you are? Groucho doesn't just know that one song. He knows many other things too. And you guys have been such a great audience. What do you think, Groucho? Why don't we give them a great big kiss? Good stuff, I guess, huh? Now, like I said, Groucho doesn't just know one song. He knows 7 different songs. Would you like to hear another one? All right. You sang Doggy in the Window. How about any of your other 6 songs? What do you say, Groucho? Are you ready, my friend? Let's sing. You sang that one. All right, ready? And action. Excellent job, Groucho. You did such a great job, my friend. And Katie has plenty more treats for you.
And that was Groucho.
You know, Groucho is not the only bird that can mimic. Parrots aren't alone. There are many other birds that can mimic, like crows, ravens, and these girls playing Follow the Leader.
Well, that's Masala and waffles for our local favorite. Come on, girls, you can do it. Follow the leader.
They'll get over there eventually.
Oh.
Chickens are pretty cool, though. And like I said, they are literally all over the place around here.
That's true, yeah.
Be my friend. Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
So were the chickens fast like Kevin?
Kevin's much bigger. She could outrun them.
Well, how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Wingspan! I know that. It's how long it is from tip of wing to tip of wing.
That's exactly right.
So how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Huge, like this big.
There are birds with much larger wingspans.
Just like the albatross, for example, the largest flying bird in the world. The albatross's wingspan would be like me and Marissa, standing fingertip to fingertip.
Wow, that's big, but I'm pretty sure Kevin's much bigger.
Oh, yes, that bird Kevin is much, much bigger.
Oh, really? Like that bird?
Ah! A dinosaur!
Scary birdie! Scary birdie!
Don't wait for me!
Guys, she's not scary, just big! Don't judge a book by its cover!
Don't you mean judge a bird by its feathers?
Really?
It's a bird joke. This is Victoria, our African fish eater, known as the voice of Africa.
And watch, she's even bigger when she flies.
She's one of the largest birds here, with a wingspan reaching up to 7 feet wide.
What's amazing to me is that she was that big when she was only a few months old.
Absolutely, and we can tell that she's still young because of those beautiful feathers. You can see on the top of her head, near her neck, she's got the mono brown and white color. But as they grow older, they'll lose those feathers. And those brown and white feathers will turn to a solid white head, solid tail, and a solid white chest. Really beautiful birds.
Adam, tell everyone how she gets the name Fish Eagle.
She's a fish eagle because these guys, where they're from in Africa, they love to snatch fish right off the surface of the water. Pretty incredible. And she got her name because of Lake Victoria in Africa, the largest lake in all of Africa. And it's pretty neat because there is a large population of these guys. And that's due to there being so many fish. One of their favorite things to eat. And make sure you don't look up with your mouth open.
What's wonderful is that you're getting a really good eye look at how majestic Victoria is. You can see her underpart colors.
And some other things.
Feathers, yes. And she's getting a great look at all of you guys. Because we have such a wonderful audience here today.
Absolutely. Pretty cool birds. And those feathers will typically change in about 5 years, but a bird like her would be fully grown within 3 to 6 months of hatching.
That's so fast.
Very fast. And a bird like her could live to be somewhere between 30 and 40 years old.
Wow.
Pretty long time. Maybe to go get some fish.
Maybe. It looks like maybe that's where she's headed now. And that was Victoria. Hi, Russell. Glad you're back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
Oh, that's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they are.
Oh, show me the birdie.
Well done. One of our favorites around here is the crown crane. Everyone, meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
This is one of many birds here that help connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, Doug, why don't you say hi?
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they like you, Doug. The grey-crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. Can't you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
I like the birdies.
So do I, Doug. You know, do either of you want to feed Fraser?
I do.
All right, Russell.
He really goes gaga for birdseed. When my hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Very funny, Russell, but that's not hair on top of his head. Everything you see on a bird is feathers. That crown, his eyelashes, everything else, all feathers. What do you say, Fraser? We have many more treats backstage. And that was Fraser Gray.
Very friendly.
He was very friendly. Our next bird is friendly as well. He's from South America, and he has a behavior that looks a whole lot like hopping.
I have not seen a birdie hop before.
Well, Doug, if anyone can, a toucan can. It's another bird joke. But Marissa has gathered some adventurers who have volunteered to create the perfect hopping environment for our next bird friends. And I think you're really going to like this guy, Doug.
Right. So please welcome Jessica and Keenan.
All right, my friends, stand right up here with me. And I bet you didn't know that toucans were magical creatures.
That's right. The indigenous people of South America say that the toucan can send messages between the living and spirits. They're even immortalized in the night sky in the constellation Tucana.
Absolutely, they're incredible. But what do you say we meet our toucan, Sunny? And
Wow, cool beak.
it is a cool beak. Now, adventurers, if you hold your arms out like branches, shoulder width apart, so that our bird has a place to hang out. I'm ready. What do you say, Sunny? Excellent job, my friend. Now stay still. We're going to see if that magical bird wants to hop back the other way now. Excellent job! Now, like I said earlier, the hardest part is saying goodbye. But he typically likes to hang out right up there. Oh, check it out. That's our stage here. Now, the neat thing about these guys is with that large bill, they can pick fruit or catch insects. And sometimes they'll even toss it back and forth. And it tastes the game of catch. Now, Katie is one of Sunny's best friends. Yeah, I'm sure your arms are getting tired. But you made excellent branches. Thank you very much, Sunny. Let's hear it for our adventurers. Excellent job, my friends.
What a cool bird.
Oh, that is a good and smart birdie.
Absolutely. Very good and very smart. Our next bird, though, is probably one of my favorite birds. Maybe my favorite animal.
Look at him.
The bald eagle. What an entrance.
That's actually a really good luck sign.
She had a fast pass. Plus. The bald eagle is a symbol of pride for the United States of America. Everyone,
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
That's right, Russell. It comes from the Old English word, piebald, which means white hat.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
And inspiring. Not too long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. Then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a huge part in helping the population to recover. And I'm happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Cool story, right?
Absolutely, Russell.
Thank you, Hope. Now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend. The peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Mor Peach were dull, but in gratitude For the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. During molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is the symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Russell, did you know that there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? You too can have your own adventure in nature. And you don't even have to go that far. Many birds can be found in your backyard or even your local parks back home. To get you started on your next adventure, though, make sure you download the Nature Passport app.
Great idea. Just ask any Wilderness Explorers troop leader to find out more. You know, whether it's a Kevin bird, or an eagle, an owl, a taraka, or peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Russell, check that guy out. Don't forget about the owl over here. She's absolutely
That's a cool bird. Get a picture of it for me.
And you can't forget the peacock. Absolutely stunning.
Yeah! Woohoo!
I too can run around like birdies.
Make sure you say hi to Hope, too.
Hey! Adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I want them all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh,
The wilderness
I love them.
must be explored. Bye!
Bye. Oh, we'll see you later at the Wilderness Explorers Clubhouse, right?
That's right. Oh yeah. Wait up, Doug.
But for now, thanks for visiting with all of our feather friends here.
And until we see you again, like birds in flowers, let me go. And have a wonderful next adventure. Goodbye.
Thank you for joining us for a great bird adventure. Now please, gather all of your belongings, take small explorers by the hand as you proceed to the exit. For your safety, please do not walk across the benches. We hope you have a wonderful adventure today in Disney's Animal Kingdom.